In this video, you'll see how I made double-sided darkening curtain. I used those three fabrics. Here I made a sketch of my window and how high and wide my curtain is. Usually it recommended that curtains are double of the window. In my case it's 1.8 because that's how wide my fabric was. I used full width of all three of my fabrics. First, measure and cut your fabric so all three are the same height. Then stitch all the sides of three fabrics. I run all the stitches. Then even the bottom of your garment and stitch it from the wrong side. Turn it to the right side and iron it. Before I proceed with attaching the tape to the top of my curtains, I had to make a slit at one of the sides. Click this link to the video on how I did it. Before attaching the tape to the curtain, make sure to iron it with the steamer because it might shrink when you wash the curtain. Lay down the curtain on the right side and attach the tape almost to the top of the curtain, maybe half an inch above the top edge. Make sure to attach it only to one side. Then stitch it as close to the edge of the tape as possible. Turn the attached tape to the inside of the curtain and iron the top. Then make a stitch at the other side of the tape. That's how it looks from the right side. Now attach the tape exactly the same way to the other side. Look, you have this open here. So if you want, you can slide to the rod inside, but I used the hooks to put it on the rod.